Did you know there are from 1,700 to 2,200 different parts in the average vehicle? Now, most parts will last the lifetime of the vehicle without much attention from the owner. But why take a chance? With periodic or scheduled maintenance at our service center, which specializes in Hondas, you can protect your investment, increase your vehicle's performance, and add years of service. Most of all, regular service will help avoid costly major repairs. To ensure your Honda receives the periodic maintenance it requires, review your owner's manual and follow the factory recommended maintenance schedule. The schedule is based on years of experience and evaluation and is broken into intervals. Each interval in the maintenance schedule is broken down by miles driven and a period of time, and all generally recommend an oil and filter change, lubrication, tire balance and rotation, and an inspection of multiple vehicle systems, from the front and rear brakes to the suspension and gearbox to the cooling and exhaust systems. A thorough inspection can catch minor repairs before they become a major and more costly problem. We can help you schedule a service appointment to make these suggested repairs as needed at our Honda authorized service facility. Additional service requirements like engine timing belt and filter replacement can vary by model, but should be completed at the appropriate mileage to avoid expensive and potentially unsafe failures. To keep your Honda looking and running like new, rely on our Honda service professionals and follow the factory recommended maintenance schedule in your owner's manual. The combination is the best insurance you can have against unexpected costly breakdowns.